Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video on Microsoft PowerPoint. And this time we are going to progress bar and announcement counters. Objective is to show you the logics or the way you can develop such things. And knowing this, understanding this, then you can create your own sort of animations or the way you want to build your slides. So idea is just to show you how you can animate objects and how you can show progress bar or announcements counter. Normally you can use during any events where you have to announce some winners or something like that, and you want to create a suspense and you want to have a counter, let's say 3 2 1, and then there is a splash. Let's move. I just took one scale uh, from the Google and just placed it over here. It's not a final sort of product for anyone or for everyone, but you can try different logics. But I will show you how you can create it. So I'm just pressing a key on my keyboard to start this progress bar, and it is for 5 seconds, so it will be quickly finished. Okay, right? So this was just you can increase or you can decrease as well. So this was from left to right. You can have even from right to left. Okay, so another one is counter, where let's say for example we are just announcing a lucky draw or some winner. So 3 2, something like an event you are having in some big hall, and there is a 1. Here it goes. Now there is a clapping. I can hear the sound. Maybe it is not there in the video, but this is how you can make some announcements, right? So now I'm going to have some demonstration on this, how you can create these one. So let's have some sort of details of making these progress bars. So for example, I just took this scale. You can have any scale or the way you want to have some image or anything. Uh, then I have two boxes over here. So what I will do, let me create a new slide. Okay, just an empty, and format background, let me remove it, and I will remove this as well, right? So this is just an empty. I will copy this my image over here. So that's it. It has nothing else, right? So there's no progress bar at the moment in this. So let me increase it. Okay. Now if I have to show a progress bar over here, let me add. Wait a minute, because it is clicked. So let me click some of this. Insert shape, and let's say for example I have this shape. Just I will be starting from here, right, and going up to this, right. This is one box. So this color I am going to show once the this slider will move. So from the background I will see the green color, let's say this color. So let me do copy paste for this, right? So this is exactly same size, and since I have background white, because there will be movement, so it shouldn't be shown on the background. So it should be the same color of the background, right? So this is green. I will be changing this to my no fill white color. Better to have white color, because this, then it will hide this green color. Okay, so let me put on top of this. So now that green is no more there, but white is there. Now I will add animation to this white. So white should be selected, right? The upper one, not the green one. So now I will go to animation, since I have to do it exit, so this white should exit. So I'm going to click here and I will be doing, let's say for example, fly out, right? Wow, this is going down. This is not what we want. So now what I will do, I have already selected this white, right? And see here on the right of effect, this one. So I will make it left, let's say for example, it should go to the left, right? Like this. Now if you see there was a border, I don't want to show that one. So let me click over here, shape outline and no outline, right? So even we should not see the white, the border colors, right? Okay, now this is my animation. Let me go to the animation, and if you see it is on click. So first I have to click, then this will start. Now I will put it to, let's say for example, 10 seconds. So this progress will remain for 10 seconds, right? So let's see this one. So I'm just clicking this small icon, slideshow. So it will only play this slide. Okay, it will not run until, see this green, I had not removed the borders or outline for that, so it is showing, but it's okay. Let me show this one, right? So this way it is decreasing in a sense, right? It is going on the left side, it is decreasing. Now I will make it increasing. So escape and then again the same, and I will go to effect options and I will make it right, okay, to the right. Wow. And again I will play the slide and space bar, and now it is going towards right. It's like filling something or increasing, in increasing trend, right? That's it. This was our first progress bar. Now let's move to our winner announcement. Now let's create empty slide, and we will try to develop a new counter over there. So new slide, and let me remove the background. If you want to keep it, up to you, but I'm just, let's say for example, I'm saying demo. This header title will be there, but this text area I'm removing it. Okay, so I will be applying this winner announcement logic over here. First, I need a shape, just if you want. If you don't want, up to you. And let's say I am taking this one. Okay, this is my first shape, and I need to add animation from the menu, animation, sorry, and then click from here. I will say fly in. Okay, that's it. This is start. Now my next is to bring number 3, right? So let me copy from here these numbers, but no, I don't want to copy, because better to create from scratch. So it shouldn't copy the animations. So I will say insert and text box, just on a side 1, and let me increase the font, right, and make it some sort of this square, because then it will be easy for us to align to each other, right? This is my first, and then let me duplicate it. Just you can in PowerPoint Control D, or you can say Control C, Control V. So both options are there. Okay, so 1, 2, font you can select whichever you want. So these are my 3 numbers, and let me bring this image as well. Copy, and I will keep it over here, right? So this is my image as well. Now this is my first image, and let me click on animations and animation pan. So if you see here, I have the second image, this one, which I will remove it at the moment. So my animation is only of this current one to appear. Now first I will show this number 3, right? This number 3. I'll click it, and in the animations, let me add from here. You can add from here, or you can add from here, right? but this is to add additional, but here it will change. So the first you can select from here as well. I'm just clicking over here and it should appear. My first is just to appear, and it should be, the start should be after previous, right, this one. So once this is done, and let me put seconds, let's say for example 0.30, and then it should fade out. So another animation, and I'm seeing fade out, right? So this is fading, and it should take uh, first it should be starting after previous and 5 seconds. Okay, so now I have 3 animations for this. So now whatever I did for number 3, I need to do now for number 2. Okay, add, first I need to appear, make it 0.30, and after previous. If it is not after previous, you will be able to see here. And then fade. Fade should take 5 seconds. You can increase or decrease, but I'm just for this demo, I'm selecting 5 seconds. And then same I need to do for 3 as a third number, which is 1. So appear after previous 5 seconds, and then another animation which will be fade out, exit and previous and 5 seconds, right? And now this should appear, right? So for this animation it should appear. I will make it zoom, and this appearance should take around 5 seconds, right? So let me show you over here. If you see here, from here down you need to start seconds like this, right? Okay, so this one is 5 seconds, right? Ideally it should not be 5 seconds, because let's say for example here I did 0.30, so here it should also be 0.30, 0.30, right? Now it became straightforward. And now if you see here, this is to bring, this is fade out, in, out, in, out, in, right? I think our animation are completed. Now I need to align them. So I will, let's say for example, first let me put it this. It will display this sequence, no problem. But let me, let's say this, right? This way, let me do another thing. I will show their outlines. So let's say it is this one, right? Sorry, let me remove it first. This one, right? So then you can remove these outlines if you don't want, but just for alignments I'm just putting it over there. This is of same size, right? Okay, done. Now from this slideshow I will click over here. The first one is on key, press any key, so I pressed third number, second number. So this is a countdown. You can even make increment from 1 to 3, up to you, right? And here is the winner, right? And now I'm just going to show you how you can put some sound on this winner part. So I will just double click over here, animation, and this will appear, and here you have sound. So let's say for cloud sound, after animation, dim, whatever it is there, right? There are different settings over here. So here you can see the durations like this, right? Okay, just I wanted to share something. The different types of animations are different phases. So this is animation. If you will click here, I'm just clicking over here. You click it over here or you click here, it will show you. So This is the first one is none. If you want to disable it, then you have entrance when you want to bring something on your slide, emphasis when you are to display something, or something's already appeared but you want to animate it, or make some emphasis on that. And then exit, object is already there, text is there, you want to make it disappear, so for that you will use exit. Motion path is, let's say for example, if you want to move something on that path, let's say like this, in the shape circle or something like that, right? So I just wanted to show you this tip. I think now I have cleared all your progress bar and winner announcement. I hope you will like it. The logics explained in this, there can be something different ways to achieve this as well, but this is, I just wanted to show you this is a way as well, right? So in my progress bar I use this effects options. Let me show you over here. Let's say for example here I use this effects options as well in addition. But in this, these effects were not there. I just use from here these animation, and in this right animation pane, you can click the animation from the menu. Then, if you see here on the top, there is the animation pane. You can disable it, you can enable it, right? So this is where you will see, and this is the settings for the animation, right? Please use it, try to develop your own logics, and share your feedback. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.